Welcome to the video, guys. Weight gain is one of the biggest issues people are facing right now. Binge eating, junk food, and sweeteners have caused us a lot of weight. The worst thing is, if you do not do anything about it right now, the problem will keep on increasing, and after a while, it can cause many underlying diseases as well. Hence, to keep your weight in control, you can adopt intermittent fasting. In this video, we will know what intermittent fasting is, how to do it, and the health benefits of intermittent fasting. So stay tuned to the video and do not forget to subscribe to the channel to watch more amazing content. Intermittent fasting is a way of fasting where you can make a schedule and fast for some hours of the day and eat the rest of the hours. Research has shown that intermittent fasting is one of the best ways to lose weight, manage it, or reverse the diseases that are caused due to the weight gain. What is intermittent fasting? Though many diet methods focus on what to eat and what not to, intermittent fasting only tells you when to eat and when not to. So, you must fix a time window when you can eat. Fasting for several hours a day or even twice a week can have many positive effects on your body. It burns your body fats and stops your body to accumulate more fat in your body. With intermittent fasting, you can eat only during a specific time. Fasting for a certain number of hours each day or eating just one meal a couple of days a week can help your body burn fat, and also scientific evidence point to some health benefits as well. How does intermittent fasting work? There are several different ways to do intermittent fasting, but there is no set rule. All you must do is look at your body, your weight, and your willpower. Adopt whatever seems easy and possible for you, and let this magical kind of fasting do its wonders. In this kind of fasting, you must select a few hours of the day in which you can eat. For that, you can have a single meal, double meal, or sometimes only fruits and organic beverages. The best part is that you don't need to fast all week or all month. It can be just 1 or 2 days of the week and you'll reap the benefits more than a normal diet. What happens is, when you spend few hours without food, the body starts releasing the stored sugar and burns the stored fats to gain energy. You prolong the period of fasting, hence when the body needs energy, it will burn the calories stored in the body. Whereas checking with your doctor before adopting any kind of fasting is important. So if your doctor allows, then go on and shed these extra pounds easily. Intermittent fasting does not only reduce weight, but it also improves metabolic health and lessens cholesterol. There are 6 popular ways to do intermittent fasting. Number 1. The 16/8 method. The first and most popular way of intermittent fasting is a 16/8 method. In this method, you fast for continuous 16 hours and eat for only 8 hours. Now, how many meals to eat in this 8-hour window is your choice. If you're desperate to lose weight, you can eat 0-calorie vegetable or foods all day long. The water in vegetables and fruits will help you lose more weight. Whereas, if you want to take it slow, you can eat 2 proper meals during your 8 hours window. It is highly advisable that you avoid any sugary or processed foods as well as fast food. You might see these methods as very hard, but if you give it a thought, we anyways fast for as much as 12 hours every day. If you take your dinner at 8 p.m. and breakfast at 8 a.m., your body has already fasted for 12 hours. For weight loss and health benefits, you can prolong the 12 hours to 16 hours and skip breakfast. This way, you'll not only lose weight but also gain many health benefits. Moreover, during fasting hours, you can drink water, green tea, coffee, or other 0-calorie beverages like lemon water. These beverages greatly help in reducing the feelings of hunger and keep you full. Number 2. The 5x2 diet. The 5x2 diet is another popular method of intermittent fasting. In this method, you eat normally for 5 days and fast for 2 days. These days, you can eat 500 to 600 calories, which means either one proper meal a day or small low-calorie meals twice or thrice. This diet is also known as fast diet, as you spend most of your week normally and fast for only 2 days. Select any 2 days in a week which you think you can easily skip meals. These days you can simply eat fresh fruit salads, vegetable salads, or boiled eggs with skimmed milk in the meals. This diet has also proven to be highly beneficial for weight loss and fat loss. Number 3. Eat, stop, eat. Now this is the most tough diet methods. It is eat, stop, eat method. It requires a 24 hours once or twice per week. This method was popular a few years back. In this method, you can eat 5 days a week normally, and on the 6th day, you skip any meal for the whole day. This is one of the easiest ways to lose fat. It has proven to burn a lot of calories in just 24 hours. You can also fast from breakfast to breakfast or lunch to lunch. All the results will be the same. Water, coffee, zero-calorie beverages can be taken during the fasting days to keep up with the body's need and to control the sugar levels. In this eat, stop, eat method, you should eat all the other days normally. Eat full portions, healthy foods, and it is of the best intention that you always prefer eating fruits and vegetables during the eating days and avoid oily foods and junk foods. This method may not be possible for people with other diseases, such as diabetes and blood pressure patients should avoid this method of fasting, as it can result in sudden lower blood sugar levels. Number 4. Alternate days fasting. In alternate day fasting, you fast every other day, means you eat for 1 day and fast for 1 day. In some forms of this method, you can take 500 calories on a fasting day and normal 1000 to 1500 calories on an eating day. This way, you're not at risk of any other problems and you can easily keep maintaining this diet for a long time. Whereas, if you're new to fasting, you should start with once a week of the fasting day and keep on increasing it slowly, as a sudden and alternate day of fasting can affect your blood sugar levels. This method can make you very hungry several times a week, which is not healthy physically as well as psychologically. So start with a modest approach and increase it gradually. Number 5. The warrior diet. Another wonderful intermittent fasting technique can be the warrior diet. In a warrior diet, you can eat small amounts of raw fruits and vegetables in the day, and before sleeping, eat one big meal. So you would be thinking, when you're fasting all day, these vegetables and fruits are not adding lots of calories, so you're fasting all day and eating just one big meal. The foods you can eat all day are wholesome, and you cannot eat processed foods or meats in the daytime. Number 6. Spontaneous meal skipping. Another beneficial way of fasting is skipping a meal spontaneously. In this way, you do not need to follow a specific time schedule or structure. While being in a normal routine, you can simply skip one meal just to give your body and digestive system a nice break. For that, you can motivate your laziness or busyness, as you cannot cook when you're lazy and busy. So consider this as an opportunity for weight loss and skip that meal. Our body can handle a few hours of fasting and helps you shedding the extra pounds. It's our body's nature to show signs of being full someday, especially if you've taken one heavy meal. You can't do without the other meal easily. So skip it and give your body a chance to get in shape again. What can I eat while on intermittent fasting? During fasting, you can drink water and zero-calorie beverages such as black coffee and tea are permitted. While eating periods, you should eat healthy food. Keep your diets mainly on fruits and vegetables, and avoid any kind of junk food or sodas. If you eat extra calories in your eating hours, your body will accumulate the extra fat and you'll not be able to lose fat. So eat minimum calories while eating duration and only 0-calorie beverages during the fasting period. Intermittent fasting benefits. These are some major benefits of intermittent fasting. Weight loss. Intermittent fasting helps in losing the stubborn fat of your body. When you fast for a few hours, the body releases its sugars and loses weight. Thinking and memory. Intermittent fasting boosts memory in adult humans. People who are fit and healthy are seen to have a better approach towards life. Intermittent fasting lowers blood pressure and cholesterol. It also lowers heart rate and improves heart health. Physical performance. Intermittent fasting enhances the physical performance of young men who keep the fast for 16 hours. They have also shed fat while maintaining muscle mass. When the same study was done on mice, they showed better endurance in running. Diabetes and obesity. The research was done on animals in which intermittent fasting prevented obesity in animals, whereas in adults, intermittent fasting lowers diabetes and helps them in losing weight. Tissue health. During a study on animals, intermittent fasting lowers the risk of tissue damage in surgery and improved overall health. Is intermittent fasting safe? So far, no one has ever reported any problems. Intermittent fasting has proven to be the most beneficial diet for weight loss and to control the health conditions such as irritable bowel syndrome, high cholesterol, or arthritis. Whereas it is highly recommended that before following any sudden change in your lifestyle, do check with your health practitioner. That's all for today, guys. If you liked the video, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to watch more amazing content.